The 2 Tyres Guide to the Michelin Road 6. The Pilot Road 6 is Michelin's premium all-weather tyre. It's one of the most popular tyres for UK riders, due to the fact it can do just about everything. The technical-looking tread pattern contains the famous sipes, which are designed to channel water away but also allow the tread to flex, meaning the tyre warms up quickly and grips well in all conditions. Being a top-tier tyre, the Road 6 isn't one of the cheap options, but they're popular as they are a very forgiving, confidence-inspiring road tyre. The dual compound construction is designed to offer a harder-wearing central section, helping improve tyre life. A great tyre for pretty much any bike on UK roads, but if you ride a sports bike and you value cornering precision, they're probably not the best choice. For pure road adventure bike riders, this might not look rugged, but they're a smart choice if you want a comfortable, safe ride. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.